Okay, so what do you do if your sink is very slow to drain? The water hardly will go down without the help of a plunger, or you just have to let it sit there for 30 minutes. What do you do? This is after you've tried Drano or liquid plumber, and it's just not helping. Okay, after you let the water drain out as much as you can, you might have to sop up the rest. We're going to come down here to our trap underneath the sink, and a lot of times you can just take these with your hand and unscrew them. I'm about to put a pair of pliers on this one, I think. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got a bucket right here to catch our water. Got to twist those off. You're going to get some water coming out. That's why you want that bucket to go in and be right underneath. And then it slides right down. Then look at all that mess right there. That's what we need to clean out. Okay, now in my case, we're going to be pulling all this junk out right here. And since all the clog seems to be up here and not in the trap, there's a little bit in here, but not very much. So we'll just rinse that out, carry it outside in the yard. But I'm actually going to take this piece off right here. And it's still same thing. Just a little, you can just crank it down with your hand, and then all that mess just needs to come out. Okay, now don't do what I'm doing. Use some gloves, but this is my own sink, so this is all the makeup remover and makeup and hair that's really coming from my wife and myself. So, but get you some gloves if you don't want this nastiness. Stick your screwdriver up there and just kind of ream it out real good. You'll feel the clog kind of get loose, and eventually it'll come on down. Now, if the clog is really bad and you have to take your stopper out, you're going to have to remove that nut right there, and then the stopper will come out from the top once you pull this that way towards the wall. Okay, the nut is removed, that slides out. Okay, then that comes right up, and look at all that junk right there. Oh yeah. And after we have cleared that clot, we just have to reassemble everything. Okay, a good scrubbing with an old toothbrush before things go back together. Make sure your stopper is aligned like this with that hole. Okay, we just tighten our nut down. Gonna test our stopper, make sure it works. Okay, all your connections should just be hand tight. You don't have to put a wrench on them. And test it for leaks, and you're done. Okay, so what do you do? Okay, and now for the moment of truth. So I'm gonna pull my plunger and I'm gonna fill my sink up just a little bit. Okay, I got it about a third of the way full here. Let's see how fast that goes down. Oh yeah, I would say mission accomplished. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope I've helped you in some small way. If I have, leave me a comment and let me know. We'll see you next time. God bless.